19th April 2026 Bangalore. This is a special story coming in from the city of Bangalore where fitness meets nature and sustainability takes center stage as the much-awaited second edition of the Divyashri Nandi Monsoon Run DNMR 2026 has been officially unveiled at a grand curtain raiser event. Organized by the Department of Youth Empowerment and Sports Government of Karnataka along with JJ Active and Divyashri, this unique hill run returns with a bigger vision, stronger participation and a powerful message of eco-conscious living. Set against the breathtaking backdrop of Nandi Hills, the Divyashri Nandi Monsoon Run stands out as South India's only hill run offering participants an extraordinary experience of running through mist-covered roads, rolling terrains and cloud-kissed landscapes during the monsoon season. After a successful debut in 2025, which witnessed nearly 3,000 runners, mostly from Bangalore, this year's edition is aiming to double the scale with over 6,000 participants expected from across the country, transforming it into a national-level endurance event. The run is scheduled to take place on 9th August 2026, promising not just a race but an immersive journey where runners connect deeply with nature while challenging their physical endurance. Speaking at the curtain raiser, Shri Naveen Kumar Singh, Principal Secretary, Department of Youth Empowerment and Sports Government of Karnataka, highlighted the importance of such initiatives. He stated that the Divyashri Nandi Monsoon Run reflects the government's commitment towards promoting sports wellness and sustainable practices, adding that this initiative aligns with the vision of Sashakta Karnataka and has the potential to evolve into a flagship sporting and tourism event for the state. She noted that the goal for 2026 is to establish DNMR as a landmark experiential event attracting runners from across India and eventually from around the world. From a technical and training perspective, Pramod Deshpande, head coach and managing director, JJ Active, explained that every aspect of the run has been carefully designed to deliver a world-class hill running experience. From route planning to athlete safety and race day execution, the focus remains on providing both challenge and enjoyment while building a strong and inclusive running community. The event will feature two key race categories, including a half marathon and a 10K run, catering to both seasoned runners and beginners. In a major highlight, both routes are now officially certified by World Athletics, ensuring global standards in race design and execution. But what truly sets the Divyashri Nandi Monsoon Run apart is its strong commitment to sustainability. The organizers have introduced impactful initiatives such as the Green Warrior program, encouraging runners to adopt eco-friendly practices, including carrying reusable water bottles and choosing shared or public transport. The event follows a strict no plastic and no disposable cup policy, promoting the use of reusable tumblers and aiming towards a zero-waste model. Collaborations with environmental organizations will also see tree planting drives and third-party audits to measure progress towards achieving net zero waste impact. As registrations officially open following the curtain raiser, excitement is building among fitness enthusiasts and nature lovers alike. With its unique combination of monsoon magic, hill running and sustainability, the Divyashri Nandi Monsoon Run DNMR 2026 is all set to redefine endurance sports in India while placing Karnataka firmly on the global running map. Participants can now register and secure their spot for this one-of-a-kind experience through the official website. This is not just a marathon, this is a movement towards fitness, nature and a greener future.
ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಹೋದ ವರ್ಷ ನಾವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಡಿಷನ್ ನಂದಿ ಮಾನ್ಸೂನ್ ಹಿಲ್ ರನ್ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ದಿವ್ಯಶ್ರೀ ಆವಾಗ ಮೇನ್ ಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸರ್ ಇದ್ದರು. ಈ ವರ್ಷ ಕೂಡ ದಿವ್ಯಶ್ರೀ ಅವರು ಮೇನ್ ಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸರ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಸರ್ಕಾರದಿಂದ ಪವರ್ಡಿಂದ ನಾವು ಕೂಡ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ದುಡ್ಡು ಹಾಕ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ನಾವು ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಕೆಲಸಗಳಿಗೆ, ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಅಥ್ಲೆಟಿಕ್ ಇವೆಂಟ್ಸಿಗೆ ನಾವು ದುಡ್ಡು ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಪವರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ದುಡ್ಡು ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಟೂರಿಸಂ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೂಡ ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಮಾನ್ಸೂನ್ ಹಿಲ್ ಭಾಳ ಯುನೀಕ್ ಇದೆ. ಬೇರೆ ಈ ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇರೆ ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ರನ್ ಇದೆ, ಸತಾರಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಇದೆ, ಇದು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ರನ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ್ದು ಮತ್ತು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರದು ಐಕಾನಿಕ್ ರನ್ ಆಗತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಭಾವಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಇದು ಪ್ರತಿ ವರ್ಷ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ಒಂದು ವರ್ಷ ಅಲ್ಲ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಇದು ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಸಸ್ಟೈನಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡುವುದು ಅಂತ ನಮ್ಮ ಧ್ಯೇಯ ಇದೆ. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಇದು ಸಶಕ್ತ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಅಂತ ಈ ವರ್ಷ ಬಜೆಟಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾನ್ಯ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಯವರು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಘೋಷಿಸುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಅವರು 4 ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಅದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ರನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಮತ್ತು 10 ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಸಣ್ಣ ರನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಸಶಕ್ತ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಮ್ಯಾರಥಾನ್ ರನ್ ಮಾಡುವುದು ಮತ್ತು ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ಕಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತು ಸಿಟಿಸನ್ಸಿಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಇರಲಿ, ಆ ದಿಕ್ಕಲ್ಲಿ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ನಾವು ಮುಂದೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀವಿ ನಾವು. ಸೊ ಇದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಮಾನ್ಸೂನ್ ಹಿಲ್ ರನ್ ಇಸ್ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್. ಮೇನ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಸಶಕ್ತ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಕನ್ನಡಿಗರು ಸಶಕ್ತ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಹೊರಗಡೆಯಿಂದ ಬರೋರು ಸಶಕ್ತ ಇರಬೇಕು, ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶವಾಸಿಗಳು ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಶಕ್ತ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಹೆಲ್ದಿ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಫಿಟ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಆ ದಿಕ್ಕಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಇದು ರನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ.
So good evening everybody. Excited to unveil the second edition of the Divyashree Nandi Hills Monsoon Run. We hope to see everybody at the starting line on 9th August 2026, and we hope to continue doing this each and every year, building active and conscious living communities, welcoming you into our parks as well as our communities, and also making sure that the communities that we are building are healthy, are built around something sustainable and respecting the natural ecosystem already present there. We are proud to support the Sashakta Karnataka initiatives and being part of the Divyashree Nandi Hills Monsoon Run.
What is the strength participating in this?
So last year we had 3,000 runners, and this year we are welcoming 5,000 runners to the starting line.
Yeah. So we have been planning we have been planning for this run for so many years, and because of help from DYS, Government of Karnataka, last year we could do it. This is meeting of the fitness, the nature and the beautiful climate, which is very, very unique to Nandi Hill. Beautiful mountains, beautiful clouds, and that was the idea. It's very tough event, but it's also very, very interesting event. And this year we are going to look at least 5,000 runners joining us, and this is becoming India's topmost event, and in next 3-4 years this will become world's one of the most prominent event. So see you all on 9th August 2026. Registrations are now open, and it is available on our website dnmr.in, and it's a 10 kilometers, 21 kilometers, and we will make sure that no vehicle will be on the road on the day when you are going to run.
Sir, any celebrities are participating in this?
All runners are celebrities.